In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate on click in Canva, a feature that truly enhances your presentations by adding dynamic and interactive elements. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their design skills using Canva's user-friendly tools. So grab your computer or tablet and let's dive into making your designs come alive. First, open Canva and select the project you want to work on or create a new one. While preparing your design, consider which elements you want to animate. For this demonstration, I'll guide you through animating an image, but the same steps apply to text or other elements you'd like to animate in your presentation. Once you've opened your design file, click on the image or element you wish to animate. This is a crucial first step. It tells Canva exactly which asset you'll be working with. Simply click on the element within your design to ensure it's selected. You'll notice small blue borders appear around your image, signaling that it's ready for further action. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar located at the top of your Canva interface. You'll see a button that says Animate. Go ahead and click on this button. It's where the magic begins. Upon clicking, a pane will open up on the left side of your screen, displaying a variety of animation options. Each of these adds a different type of movement to your element, offering an array of possibilities to tailor your presentation's look and feel. You'll quickly find the option called On Click. Hover over it to preview the animation effect. On-click animations will only be visible when you advance through your presentation and click the featured element. This feature is excellent for guiding your audience's focus, ensuring they see exactly what you want them to at the precise moment of your choosing. Select the on-click option by clicking on it once, and your chosen element will now have the animation effect applied to it. At this stage, it's important to preview your work to ensure the animation is functional and visually appealing. Click the play button, typically located in the upper right corner of your Canva interface, to start a presentation preview. As you advance through your slides, observe how the animated element appears upon your click. This is your chance to review, tweak, and perfect the timing to ensure it aligns with any spoken or written content you have planned. To wrap it all up, remember that animation can transform a static presentation into an interactive experience. So, take the time to experiment with various effects available in Canva. Let the creative possibilities inspire you. Watch your presentations become not just a delivery of information, but an engaging narrative for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.